Right, mnganami. Alright wena. Ushaya ndani?
Angisho uJungle Oats nami.
Anda.
Hello.
What's on your plate?
Potato and then beans. And then getting an egg there. Nice.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big man, you good?
What are you eating, my guy?
Omelette and then I don't know this fish finger what? Fish something and the baked beans.
Kesha. Alright.
Yeah.
Ushaya ndani?
Try oats la baba.
Yenzani uthi vele.
Amandla baba. Man, energy baba.
Usazodisha musodisha ngathi sifuna ukuba right.
Yeah. Try oats. Akamanje phela ngikhuluma emakhaya kuvuka ngedolo baba.
Dion, what are you eating, my guy?
Only bread.
Oh, you eating bread today?
Yeah.
How?
Nice.
Out here, Pitor. Try that out.
Ike thama into kithi ngemaye phela le tamati. Ukuninga kahle.
Oh, try tomato, egg.
La ama fish cakes la. La moge maye. Moge tamati. Awayidili payda phone.
Nah, mna ndayinaswaji ke. Insizwa kanqo.
Baba wami
Hey.
ngiyapheka la ngipheka i-jungle oats.
Udla i-jungle oats.
I-jungle oats enzima kabi.
Uyifaka nani?
Hamba nobisi ojikile. Yalazi ubisi ojikile. Kabi ngiyayipheka.
Hey, kunejongo lidla i-jungle oats.
Hayi inamandla. Into efunakalayo kuseni mawuvuka nge-jungle oats. Yeah.
Silumali dotsa man.
Sanonga khona.
Ushayani?
Shaya sandwich.
It's cheese.
Ham and cheese. Yabo bese ngifaka neqanda. Ngisahlaziya kodwa. Asaba kushakile.
Angakadishi so brand. Angakadishi.
Kanjani phambi kwakho nokudla?
Oh, eish.
Ngani ngakoza yami? Ba?
Ale means le. Konje le bayibiza ngani le?
Bacon,
Bacon. Ne sausage ye pork. Nela ama beans yabona. Alama ifish lezinye le. Yeah, isikwa angisifuni isingu.
Try it fresh and fresh.